how to get the bot. So he said, "Good evening, admin. Please, I wish to request for your assistance on how you are able to tag all in the group." So that's why I want to show you guys. It's a paid course. That's why I want to show you guys on how to get it for free. Okay, so watch this tutorial to the end to know how to deploy it. So firstly, good day everyone, this is Samuel. In this video I want to show you how to deploy Levanter bot on your WhatsApp. Okay, I'm using Levanter bot. You can see this is the Levanter bot features on my WhatsApp. So let me quickly show you how to do it. Someone asked me a question. This is a paid course, so I want to show you also. You can see someone after I tag everyone in my community. So let me show you. Let me click on it. So you can see I tag everyone in my community. So that's why this person messaged me like he wants to learn more on how to get the bot. So he said, "Good evening, admin. Please, I wish to request for your assistance on how you are able to tag all in the group." So that's why I want to show you guys. It's a paid course. That's why I want to show you guys on how to get it for free. Okay, so watch this tutorial to the end to know how to deploy it. So firstly, where you need to go to this link will be around this video from wherever you are watching from YouTube or any group. This link will be around this video. You can check the group description or the comment section or in the group description you are watching this video from. Okay, so let's click on it. This is where to get your section ID. So you click on this link. You can see. So let me put it on mobile. So you can see it says scan or deploy. So you want to scan your QR code. So I will advise you to use peering code. Okay, peering code. So click on peering code. So put your WhatsApp number you want to use for the bot. You can. Two 465. So is it? So this is the peering code. This is the peering code for me to get my session ID. So what I need to press this code on my WhatsApp. So what you need to do is just to go to your WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp like this. Click this three dotted line at the top right corner here. You can see say link device. Click on link device. You can see my bot I have connected before. So this is it. So click link a device. Your one will not be shown like this. Your one will be shown like you don't have anything here. So you click on link a device. Use PIN. Let me put my password. So link with your phone number instead. So you click on link with your phone number instead. So I need to put that section, that code here, 9ZS5 9ZS5 WTQN sorry, WTQ7. This is a mistake. Z5 WTQ7. WT So it will show like this, logging in. So I don't want this video to be long. After logging in, you will receive your session ID. You can see this is 2 before. This is another one, 7:40. You can see it at the time. You can see the time here, 7:41 now. This is it, 7:40. This is the new device I just connected now. So yes, you need to go back and wait for it for some minutes. The section ID will come out here. So before that, let's go back to this website and click on this link bar again. Go to deploy. Click on deploy. This our bot. We want to deploy it on panel. Okay, we want to deploy it on this one, panel. So click on panel. You see, you need to copy this. Click on copy here. Click on copy. Click on copy. Okay, so now let's go back and go to this website again. The second one, boasthosting.net. So let's click on it. You can see you need a Discord account before you can be able to deploy this bot on panel. So what you need to do is just to click on it and sign up on discord.com. Just sign up and say get started for free. So we need to verify. So let's verify we are woman. So click on it. So you can see this is the interface. It said I have 5 coins. So me, I already have the thing. This one is my server. Let me show you. You can see this is my server. So I should manage my server. This is my server. You can see this is how the server is. So what you need to do, you need to create a server. But you that you are just deploying, you are new here, so you need to create a new server. So what you need to do is just to create a server like this. Go here and create a server. But because I don't have up to the coin, this thing is totally free. You are not paying for anything. So here you need to give your server name. You can say my bot. Let me say my bot. So we click on next. So and click on, you can see it says starter, you need 10 coins per week. Starter plus, you need 25 coins per week. But the one I'm using is starter plus because it have high storage and CPU is 25%. That's why I'm using this 25 starter plus. So you can earn coins. And how can you earn the coins? It is totally free. So let's see. You said I can't deploy anything because I don't have enough. You can see. Let me click on weekly and the coin. I won't say confirm. Creating a server. You say an error occurred. That means I can't. You can see because I don't have. You say you do not have enough coin to afford this plan. So okay. Let's click on okay and let's go back. You say so after you end it. Okay, let me just go back. I want to show you something here. So after you. This is the one I'm using. You can see it is Levanter bot. So service starter plus. You can see billing cycles weekly. So once you can create a server. So let's try it again. And any coins is free. So let's earn the coins. So this is it. For you to be able to earn the coins, it is free. But it will be any coins. You need to click on it 10 times. Okay. So let's click on it. I'm a woman. Let's confirm I'm a woman. It says select each bed. There's a picture of alone in the image. So which one is alone in the image? This one is alone. This one is alone in the image. So let's verify. So let's click on. So this is the advertisement that is paying for the coins you are earning for free. So let's. Sorry. So you can see success. So I've earned 1 coins more. You can see this is 5 before. So that's how you'll be claiming the coins for free. That's how you will claim the coins for free. So if you want to go for starter, once you have up to 10 coins, you can go for 10 coins. But if you want your bot to be healthy very well, you need 25 coin. Okay, you need 25 coin. So once you do that, the next thing to do, let's just get this one and show you. Once you have your coins already, once you have your coin, just click on create server, and we show you the other way as I showed you before. So that's what we just follow the procedure, and you will have the coin, you will have the server. So once you have the server, your interface will be like this. View, you will have this interface like this once you have enough coins to create the server. So the next thing to do is just to create here, click here, view on control panel. So let's click on view on control panel. I think this is network. So this is the bot. So let's click on it. You can see this is my bot, but you won't have this interface like this if you just create your own server. So then you need to go is just to click on file. You can see, let me show you file. Click on file. Once you click on file, go to new file. You can see new file. Click on new file. So I said you should copy something the other time. I said you should copy something from the other link. So what we copy from that link, from after we click on deploy, we click on panel, and it says you should copy something. So that thing, once you click on it, what you copy is here. I've already copied it on my clipboard. This is it. It will look like this. You can see. Click on it, and let's zoom. So only one thing you need to change here. You need to change one thing here. Is your section ID. So I've shown you section ID, how the section ID look like. So this is how the section ID look like. So let's go back to our WhatsApp and let me show you how the section ID look like. Okay, so let me show how section ID look like. So let me switch this account. You can see this is the section ID I requested for, and this is it. You can see this is the section ID I newly requested for. So just click on your section ID like this and copy it and come back to your server and click on it. You can see I click on it, I paste it. So you need to delete this. Follow this thing very well. You can see. So now you have your session ID and you have everything here. So make sure this is how you do it. So don't put any space here. You can see I don't put any space here. Don't put any space here. So don't let space be there. So just click on it and you can see we have our section ID there. So the next thing to do is just to go back to, come down here, right down corner here, just click on create file and save it with index file, index.js. You can see index, just click on it and save it. And so I don't want to create another file. Okay, I don't, because I have one already. So once you create, you just click on create file. Once you create it will create another file for you. And let me go back to the console. So once you create the file, the next thing for you to do is just to come here and start. You will now click here, start, and your code will start running until it show like this. Until it show like this, you can see. Until it shows like this. You can see my own. Sorry, let me go back. Let me show you. This is how you can see when I deploy the bot. This is how it is. You can see it will show installed to this level. You can see, so you installed, everything is installed, everything will be installed, connected. So once you connect like this, you now go to your WhatsApp and check it out. You now check it out, like your prefix, it should be .ping. You now click on it. You can see it say ping, it respond. You can see it respond. So .menu. .menu. You can see it said this is all what I can use with the bot. You can see this is Levanter. The bot is there already, so you can see all the features of the bot. So that is how, and I can go ahead and tag people in my community again. I can say and tag people here. Just tag them. And it will tag everyone. It will tag everyone in this community. Or I can just go to the community directly and say, you can see dots, and you can tag everyone here too. In your community, you can use the same as well. Tag. So and it will tag everyone in your community. So that's how to deploy it on your WhatsApp. But if you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section, and like this video. Wherever you are watching this video from YouTube, like this video and ask the question in the comment section, and the links I will drop it in the video description. So thanks for watching and have a nice time. See you in the next video.